Good morning. Today we are about to learn operations on functions, specifically on composition of functions. We have the definition. Let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by f of g of x is f of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So the process of obtaining a composite function is called function composition. Let's have an example. Given the functions f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 13x minus 30, find number 1, f of g of x, and number 2, g of f of x. So for number 1, we have f of g of x is equal to f of g of x that can also be written as f composing of the value already given in g of x, which is 3x squared minus 13x minus 30. Our f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. So what we need to do is to replace x or substitute x by g of x, which is 3x squared minus 13x minus 30. So 3 to replace x by the value of g of x times the quantity of 3x squared minus 13x minus 30 plus 5. Now we perform the indicated operations. So first, we multiply 3 by 3x to 3x squared, which is 9x squared, followed by 3 times negative 13x, which is equal to negative 39x. Next is 3 times negative 30, which is negative 90 plus 5. Just copy it. Now we need to combine like terms to simplify the given. So first, we will have 9x squared since there are no other term having the same exponent, we just copy 9x squared. Same with negative 39x, so copy, then followed by negative 90 plus 5, which is equal to negative 85. So our final answer will be 9x squared minus 39x minus 85. Let's have our solution for number 2. So doing the other way around, we will do g of f of x. So this time, we will compose g by f of x. So this can also be written as g of 3x plus 5. So our g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 13x minus 30. Again, we replace x or substitute x by the value of 3x plus 5, which is the f of x. So 3, since we have x squared, we will also square 3x plus 5 minus 13. Again, we have another x, so substitute or replace it by f of x, which is 3x plus 5, and copy the last term, which is minus 30. So we perform the indicated operations. By using distributive property, so we multiply 3 and 9x squared, which is equal to 27x squared. Next, 3 times 30x is equal to 90x. 3 to multiply to 25 is equal to 75 minus, we copy the operation sign, 13 times 3x is equal to 39x. And 13 times 5 is equal to 65. So since we are having subtraction, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. So we will have negative or minus 39x minus 65. Then again, copy the last term, which is 30 or minus 30 rather. Using the same process, simplify or combine like terms. We copy 27x squared since there are no other terms having the same exponent, followed by 90x minus 39x, which is equal to positive 51x. Lastly, for the constant, which are 75 minus 65 minus 30, which is equal to negative 20. So our final answer will be 27x squared plus 51x minus 20.